Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a color grading that will make your face look smoother on a video in a CapCut mobile. So in here, you can just add your videos with your face on it and go to adjust, and you can follow the settings. So first, for the brightness, increase it to 5, and then the brilliance, increase it to 10, and also the saturation. Now click on the sharpen and increase it to around 70, and in here swipe and click on the highlight and add it around 20. Shadow -6, and then add some vignette effect around 23. Okay, like this. Click on the check icon, and lastly, let's go back, click on your video and click on the video quality option. Now click on the image quality and set it to UHD, and also the reduce image noise, set it into strong. Click on the check icon, and there you go. This will be the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.